What's up everyone, Nathan here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I finally managed to get out of the studio and take with me my gimbal. I bought a DJI Osmo Mobile for Christmas for myself and haven't been using it, to be honest, so this is the first time. I hope you will like the shots that I do. I'm going to record here. So I thought I would just show you around a little bit, and then I have a message for you then. Okay, so this is Greece's second largest city. We do have about 1.5 million people. I don't know how many there is actually today, to be honest, but I think it's 1.5 million. Pretty big city, yes. I like the city. It's perfect for me, to be honest. And I usually come down here whenever I want to take a walk, step out of my little studio and brainstorm a little bit. It's definitely a perfect day. It's Sunday today. It is the 3rd of February. The sun is coming out, so it's really nice. Now, a few things I want to share with you. I wanted to grab the opportunity here, so I hope that the camera follows me here. I put it on some tagging and so on. So anyway, what I wanted to share with you actually is I do share a lot of stuff here in my channels. I do have both channels, you know, my I Am Tips and Easy Way Web Marketing. Will probably upload the same video also, so because it will be a good video, an important one. If I share with you thousands of opportunities, if you don't do anything with them, then nothing will happen, okay? And a quick example is I got an email from someone that sent me and said, hey, can you send me some apps that I can start and to make some money with? And if you're so lazy that you won't go through the videos that I share and want to go and download the apps to make some money, then you will probably never make not a single cent. I'm really sorry about it, but that's the truth. You do need to take action. Okay, I'm sorry I had to cut there. You do need to take action, okay? That's the most important thing. I can tell you from first-hand experience, I've been running my own business for almost 2 decades now, and I've been a huge procrastinator in the past for many things before I really got started. And when I got started, that's when things took off. And what happened was that I was searching for a quick fix, okay? Let me read this book. I read one book, maybe the solution is there, maybe it is on another video. Oh yes, this could be the push button or something like that. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Well, I just felt so bad once and I said enough is enough. I need to take action. So what I did was actually I started to take action. I felt so good, I slept really well because I took action. I felt relieved that I at least did something. And that's exactly what you need to do. You do need to start somewhere. You can't just get started, push a button and have everything done for you. It doesn't work that way, okay? You do need to start to work on it. You do need to work on it. It takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Keep that in mind. And just take a quick example. One of my 2 channels, okay, which you are watching this video now, Easy Way Web Marketing. I actually started this channel 2013. And I knew, of course, that video was going to be the big next thing. But what happened was that there was actually 2 things that happened. For the first, I didn't like the name, okay, Easy Way Web Marketing. For some reasons, when I'm getting something in my head here, I can't get it out. And that's exactly what happened. So I didn't like the domain. I wanted to rebrand everything. So that's why I started my IM Tips, which stands for My Internet Marketing Tips. Now, what happened was that I started to do some videos there, and the videos that I never thought that would gain some views was actually the videos that got views. I had one with Amazon affiliate tutorial, which is at 50,000 views, I think, right now as I'm recording this video. So I didn't care because I didn't have the time back then to actually continue. Now, you may say, what if, Atan, if you have continued that? Yes, I have that feeling and that thought exactly also, but what if this and what if that? Well, let me tell you something. Of course I regret. If I would have proceeded, I would probably have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, views and so on. Sure, no doubt about it, but it's never too late, okay? And that's why I also restarted to create some videos. While, to tell you the truth, I wanted to do almost every day on both my channels, which is impossible, of course, because I do need to run my business also. Okay, I had to stop the video a little bit because I couldn't stand the barking, and I think it's just distracts. So basically what I was saying was that it's never too late, okay? I just restarted. I wanted to do videos, but I can't do it. I do need to have my business, of course. And while I do share a lot of make money online opportunities in this channel, particularly in Easy Way Web Marketing, those are actually to help you get started to make money online. Because I always say that I want you, if you're interested in building a real online business, you should check out the link below. And basically what I'm teaching and preaching is you want to have assets. You want to build a real online business, a long-term business. Okay, we had the airplane, a lot of distractions here, so I just stopped it a little bit there. So what I'm teaching actually is that I want you to build asset in your business. So how do you do that? Well, you build an email list. I learned this the hard way. I just saw someone yesterday which got a second strike for his YouTube channel, so he's not able to post, and it's not good. I'm getting sad, I'm getting depressed when I see stuff like that, because I lived it firsthand. I lived it firsthand with Facebook. I had a fan page years back, and all of a sudden they took it down. And it happened to me recently. For unexplainable reasons, I tried to contact them, don't know why. The only thing I did was actually posted videos on that fan page, nothing else. So they said that I violated terms for some reason. I don't know why or what or when. I tried to contact them, got an Autobot responder or something. They just so it didn't work. So you should never rely your business on a third-party social media platform. It's all good, it's all nice, but do not rely your business. Back then, I thought that I don't need to build an email list. Why should I build an email list? We're having social media channels, we're having Facebook. I can connect with everyone over there. Well, I realized that the hard way, as I said. I lost a lot of subscribers there that I had only on Facebook, and that's when I realized that I'm going to start with email list building. Why do everyone talks about the money is in the list? I'm sorry. Well, the money is in the list, really simple, because you're in control of that email list. So that is one of the most important messages today. Now, back then, when I decided to do that, I also became a solo ad vendor. I wanted to learn everything about email marketing. I paid for that also, actually, by losing an autoresponder account back then. so I do know the ins and outs of solo ad. They do work, okay? They do work. So, and I'm going to show you that they work. But you do know, you want to know what you're doing, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you. Now, I also created, of course, a course which is Daily List Profits, and when I created that, I had in mind to create something that is long-term. That's exactly what I'm sharing in there. It's not so sexy to build an email list. We want to have the quick fix, okay? Push a button, make 100,000s, everything's cool. But it doesn't work that way. You want to build a real online business, okay? You want to have assets in your business. You want to build an email list. That's what everyone is teaching outside. Even if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to have a list. You want to have an email list because you can promote, you can connect with them, you can send them a video like I do. I'm sending many times videos. I don't promote offers all the time. You see that. I mean, subscribe to 10 other affiliate marketers. You will see they bombard you probably twice or 3 or 4 times a day by just sending a lot of crap, okay? And how do you think that they make money? Well, they do that. And of course, we all want the quick fix all the time. Now, I prefer actually to promote products that I know works. I turned a lot of products down these days. I don't do reviews. It was fun in the beginning, but it takes time, and I want it to be a good product that I wanted to promote to you. So that's what I actually wanted to share with you. First, you do need to take action. You don't have to be perfect, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. This video could probably be 10 times better if I had a script. I don't care, okay? I hope you got some value out of this content. It's much more important for me and you, of course, okay? All right, I'm not gonna drag this out anymore today. I hope that you found some value in this video. If you did, I of course appreciate that if you hit the like button below. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels, as I said. They are a little bit different, but they are related to make money online, work from home, internet marketing. I'm just going to try to separate those channels a little bit because my I Am Tips is more long-term things like how you can be productive, a mindset and stuff like that. And here actually I'm sharing with you quick opportunities that you can get started with while you build your long-term business. All right, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.